Hey fam! Okay, so I just wanted to hop on really quick. I washed and conditioned my hair, and of course I applied my family hair care before putting my hair in 6 two-strand twists. I had like one up here in the front, one here, one there, and then in the front, one here, one there. So I did the two-strand twist last night. I deep conditioned and everything. Put my family hair care in, twisted it up, and I just, kind of let it air dry. So this morning when I woke up, it wasn't, my hair dries really fast, but it wasn't completely dry. So I used my red air. I love this thing. This is like really good, really good. And I just undid the two-strand twist, and I just kind of sucked it in the red air just to stretch it. So it kind of has that curly, wavy, stretched look. Now, I have some errands to run, so I'm going to be brave and go outside. Now, my hair loves humidity, so I don't ever wear my hair like this because I always end up with a huge fro after being outside. I don't know what the humidity percentage and level is right now, but we're going to try to go outside and see what it's looking like when I do come back. All right, but hope y'all are having a wonderful day.